my YouTube channel. Today, nandito po kami sa... Ano gagawin natin?
Boat. Magbubuting-ting.
Magbubuting-ting daw.
Tapos pare, yung huling
magbubuting po kami today for 1 hour. So, si Kuya ang magdadrive. Hey!
Napakaalat din na binigay
Ang lakas ng bilo. Pasensya na po, madaldal po yung aking kasama. Yan, si ate. Tagay daw po kay Tagay. Magbubuting po kami for 1 year. Sorry, 1 hour. Ayan. Ito mga kasama ko, ang mga mag-iinom ng taon. Isa na ito, si Kabitenya from Cavite. Di ba Tanggenyo?
Kabitenya. Kabit nyo. Kabit dito. Kabit din.
Ayaw si Bossing.
Yun ay Kabitenya. Kabit dito. Kabit doon. Kabitenya.
So yan, wait lang po namin kasi nakabook na kami. Booking kami for 5:30. The time, anong time na ngayon? Is 5:16. 5:20. Yan, 10 minutes mo. 10 minutes. So, ayun.
At kami po ay salukuyan nagugutom-gutom na ulit.
Kami po ay na, yung isa po ay nasa
nakakita po ng
titi. Alapat eh. So, ayan. Kaya laging 4 na lang po kami, 5 kami. Yung isa po yung nakipag-date. Iniwan kami sa Eric. Iba talaga nagagawa pang may love life. Ayan.
Yun ang power ng kutse.
Yes. So, ayan. Sige, wait lang po namin ang aming booking. Guys. Hanapan na namin ang aming boat. Go boat pala to.
Hindi, meron namang tao dyan.
Number 3.
Pare!
Hey.
Itanong mo kung paano
Yes. Yay. Ayan, nandito na po kami sa Go Boat Ransa.
So I'll tell you quickly, like where we are and the recommended routes, if you like. So we are here, and what time is it now? It's
5:20.
till 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 hours. So for 2 hours, I would recommend.
You guys? 11. So take that. I'll get one of my colleagues to get
Hampton Court. It's up there, up that way.
Okay.
That's following the river up here. It's an hour there and back, an hour there and an hour back. But you have good tailwind coming back, so you go a little bit coming back. It might be
So going back is a bit easier.
yeah. Getting there might take a little bit longer, but you'll fly back.
Okay.
So yeah, and then we drive on. You want to do the arch on the right, turn it around, and come out on the right hand side of that arch.
Far right.
Yeah, all right, and then you stay on the right side of the river. Do not go closer than 10 meters to the bank. Yeah. I mean, you can jump on and off the horses back. Yes. Well, that's the recommendation. Right?
Okay.
And then stay clear of the boat and the docks, and you'll be fine. It does go very quickly because the speed limit on this part of the river is only 4 miles an hour. That's max. Yeah. Okay. So, who's going to be?
This one. Ako ya. You're the driver.
I mean, you may swap around as much as you like, of course, but I will.
Minsan ka doon.
Yeah.
At nakapantay.
Right in
Doon sa dulo.
So you might want to sit on this side of the boat then. Yeah.
Doon ka. At ako'y mabigat.
Nagtatalo pa tong dalawang ito. Ang capacity ni ate, dalawa natin.
Yes.
Okay.
Ha?
O dito ako sa dito ako sa Yan.
This is your power. So if you
Power is
and then
back and forth. The same. Power.
yeah, that's the power.
Okay.
But I'll tell you the difference. The difference is when you push it away from you,
Yes.
we go backwards.
Okay.
So like on the motorbike,
So onward
is that way.
forward is this way.
Yeah.
Backward is this way.
Yeah, like a motorbike. And then when you steer, it's going to be the opposite. So if I want to go left, I want to push it this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I want to go right, I'll take it towards me.
Okay.
Yeah, so you might have to like sit around and move around a bit, a little bit. But yeah, you stay on.
So left is right, left is right.
Right is left, and left is right.
Opposite.
Opposite. Yeah.
Opposite, yeah.
And then when you put it in reverse, the boat will follow the engine. Yeah, when you go backwards, you reverse it. Should you be like in the banks or wherever, if there's other boats you need to stop for, go like quickly in reverse. That will break the boat. Stop the boat.
Ayan guys.
Have fun, guys.
Ayan na kami driver. Thank you. Driver, hello. Ay, balo.
Enjoy, guys.
Bye. Hi guys. So ngayon.
Takta, dumaan.
Nasaan?
Ayan, demonita. O pinicturan tayo. Hindi man lang. Ayan, sa hay.
Oh, nasaan?
Live ka.
May music sana tayo.
Hey, sarap. Sarap ko yun. Sarap ya. Pagkain, ilabas niya. Sarap ko yun.
Ano ba nalabas na kain na?
Kawalan, kain.
Okay na.
Saan pupunta ito?
Talaga. Gagawin ka din ba yun?
Alin tayo gagawin? Huwag nang kalapit.
Eh, daw mag-jump ay naku po. Eh, wala naman kami. Sinabi mo, dala ka po.
Ay, sus, ayan ako, nagmamaneho na ng kanya. Sama ko, picture na dalawa.
Picture tayo.
Video.
Ako yung para sa vlog ko. Nagano. Yay! Sino ka lang mag-vacation? Yay! Hello! Ako ay nag-vlog. Makaka-provide ako. Yahoo!
Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that